Can we comment on Instagram post with a photo? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can comment on Instagram with a photo. So without any further ado, let's try it out. So the first step is open up your Instagram. After you open up your Instagram, head over to a post where you want to, just comment. So I'll just head over to my friend's account for now. And right there, simply find a post that you want to comment. So I'll just comment here, tap on the comment section, and right there you should notice that there is a text box and there is a GIF section. Now there is no you know way to just add a picture here, so you can actually add a GIF. So if you do have a custom GIF, if there is a way for you to add it here, you can use that technique as well. Other than that, you can just add your avatar. So yeah, those are the only two things that you can add. And yeah, that is basically all. That is how you can comment on post with a photo or something closest to photo, that is a GIF or your avatar. There is no actual way to comment on Instagram post with a exact photo. So I hope this video answers your question, guys, and that is basically all for today. Stay tuned for more, and if you guys are not subscribed yet to our channel, do not forget to subscribe as well, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.